Do you also want to create videos like this and make a lot of money, but don't know how? It's easy and only takes 3 steps. First step, create a prompt for generating an image with the help of ChatGPT. Step 2, convert the prompt into an image using the Leonardo AI site. Step 3, turn the image into a video using Runway AI. First step, creating prompt for image generation. Go to the ChatGPT website and copy the prompt provided in the video description into this section. You can change the animal by replacing the word panda with the name of another animal. Copy the prompt text. 2-step, converting prompts to image with the Leonardo AI site. Search for Leonardo AI. Click on this site. Click on the Get Started option. In this section, there are 4 options available for signing up on this website. You can register on this site using an Apple account, or Google account, or Microsoft account, or with an email. I register using a Google account. Click on the image creation. In the preset section, choose Leonardo Phoenix option. Set this option to auto. For the preset style, select 3D render option. In the contrast section, choose high option. Click on more option and select the size for Instagram or TikTok. Paste the prompt text in this section. Click on generate option. Please wait a few seconds. The images created, in my opinion, are amazing. To download any of these images, simply click on this icon. Step 3. Converting the image to video using Runway AI. Search for Runway. Click on this site. Click on the Get Started option. Click on Sign Up for Free option. You can sign up on the site using your email, Gmail account, or Apple account. I signed up using my Gmail account. Click on Get Started option. Click here and select the image you downloaded from the Leonardo AI website. Click on Crop option. In this section, paste the prompt text that is provided in the video description. If the image features another animal, change the word panda. Click here and choose one of the durations, 5 or 10 seconds. Click on Generate option. Please wait a few seconds. If you encounter this error, try again a few hours later. I have also encountered this error before. This is the final result. As you can see, it's amazing. Click on this icon to download the video. I hope you've made the most of this tutorial. Until the next video, goodbye.